What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the welcome back. So I got this. Yes, finally got a bumper going on with that old one. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna test fit it for sure. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it on, but I'm gonna test fit it because it's white. I already got that black, and then I got the rear bumper black. But it's like I'm not painting them because it's gonna get wrapped. So it's like I find it pointless to paint him. It's gonna get wrapped. But I don't know if I really want to rock them all fucking without painting shit. But anyways, we are gonna test fit it. I'm gonna put it on, check it out, and I'm also gonna install a starter today. I don't know if I'll really record much of that. Main focus on the video is the fucking bumper. Let's open this bitch up. So I got these top bolts out. Let's go check to see if I have something on the bottom. I don't remember. Yeah, it's connected, so I got some shit to disconnect down here. Alright. Out with the old and with the new. Oh yeah. See how beautiful disaster. Alright, so I have to take off my fenders. So I'm just gonna take them off real quick, and then yeah, should go on easily. But it looks like it's going on pretty good so far. So, alright, let's check it out. Okay, so there it's on. Obviously, like always on camera, it's gonna look fucking tits. It actually does line up pretty well. This side. Now this side, this doesn't line up too bad. But now this bitch, not wanting to go in. I don't know if it's because of this. There's some kind of movement because I don't know, it's not going in well. But this one, this thing looks like it's overdone. This side sits pretty well, like that, as you can see. But yeah, I mean, it's right there. So I don't know, I want to see why it's not going in all the way. It's not even clipping in, so I'll check that out and then I'll keep you guys updated right now. So it's on there, kind of. But now I'm gonna check to see if the tires will rub when I turn, and if they do, I'm taking it off. Don't want to fuck it up just yet, even though I know eventually it's gonna get fucked up, but whatever. But for now I don't want to, so I'm gonna check that out. Let's see. That side. Check the other side. I don't think it's gonna hit this side. Oh, maybe. Like, I don't know. I feel like if I hit a good enough bump, it'll definitely rub, but for now it's not, which is damn, this thing's looking like something out of this world. Fuck. Alright, so that's how it is for now. Shit, man. So I ain't tripping too much because I'm gonna take it to somebody. They're gonna work on it. They're gonna work on the whole body work. They're gonna get some things done that need to get done. I think I said it in the previous video. If not, I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of body work done to the car. They're gonna fix some of the pieces. They're gonna line some of the parts. Just basically one. They're gonna shave off the antenna. They're gonna add a piece right here so it can feel like complete. Go through the whole thing. But yeah, other than that, that's about it. It looks like a little fucking all mismatched and whatnot. Different color. It looks like, holy shit, it's all like different color. But hey, that's part of the build, you know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping too much. I do so slowly but surely. It's a work in progress. It's the little ugly duckling. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in for this S2000 bumper install. Let me try to get a thumbnail, maybe like this. Oh shit, like damn, like, oh, it's a video? Oh, okay, yeah. Alright, so yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.